This is not what I was expecting. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! I know that I'm missing a nail, but we're not going to take a look at that because I'm changing my nails tomorrow. Today or tomorrow, my nails are going to be changed. So what you're going to do is not look at it. A couple of weeks ago, Fenty Beauty launched a product called the Eaze Drop Lit. Also, I don't know if this is a new launch, but this is the Invisimatte Instant Setting and Blotting Powder. I want to try this one because I never tried it from Fenty before. So if you want to know all there is to know about this product, and if you want to know how to use it, then keep on watching. So before we start today, we are going to be moisturizing because I did wipe my face to the point where my skin is looking very dry. I'm trying out this Peach Lily Peptide Pro Firmin Moisturizer. I am going to go in with a setting spray that I have been loving and using, and I feel like this is one of those things that, this is definitely one of those products that extends the wear of your makeup. I used it, I went to an event, and honey, my face did not move. A kid's event nonetheless. Like, I'm going to go in with a MAC Mattifying Primer, The Moment of Truth. This is the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Lit. So it says that you can wear this by itself, or you can wear it with a foundation. You can wear it mixed into a foundation. Go ahead and blend it into the back of our hand so we can see what we can see. This is not what I was expecting. I was expecting something with a little bit more shimmer in it. This looks like moisturizer, and it has absorbed in nicely. It's not oily. It's not even wet anymore right now. This is compared to the back of my other hand. I really don't know what this is. It's a bit strange. I was expecting an illuminating highlighter type of a product, but that's not what this is. I'm going to blend a little bit of it right here so I can see. I just want an idea of what I'm working with, because it may look different on the back of my hand and look completely different on my face. I'm gonna pat it in with my hand. Okay, I could definitely see it. Do you see a difference? Let me know if you see a difference. My left hand is looking a little bit more moisturized. It's looking a little bit more glowy than my right side. But besides that, I don't actually see the shimmer, it disappears into the skin. Now I'm gonna let this settle down. If you're somebody who wants that all over face glow, I would highly suggest that you put this all over your face after you apply your primer. Personally, I'm not gonna do that because I do get oily and I don't want to look extra glowy when I get oily, so I'm not gonna put it all over my face. However, if you're somebody who has combination dry skin and you feel like you want that extra glow, definitely go ahead and put this all over your face. That will give you the kind of an illuminated glow from within look that you're looking for. This is giving me glow from within type of looks. The way that this looks, I can definitely see what they meant by you can wear it by itself, because if you wear this by itself, it's just gonna give your whole face or your under eyes that little bit of oomph without it looking like you actually put something on your face. It actually even made the bridge of my nose glowy. I'm going to be using the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation in the shade Mali. Because I'm going to wear it under my makeup and I want to make sure that I see a difference, I'm not going to blend my foundation over it. This foundation is beautiful. Now that my foundation is blended in, you can still tell that the left side of my face is looking a little bit more glowy and also like a little bit more brighter than the right side of my face. Okay, I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Future Fluid Concealer, and okay, we're going to put a little bit of number 24. Just going to let it sit and we blend. Okay, this shade is definitely very bright. I should have used the shade 29, but let me know if you can tell a difference. If you can tell that the left side of my face is brighter than my right side, let me know if you can see that. I am going to be setting my under eyes with the Fenty Beauty in Invisimatte Instant Setting and Blotting Powder. I have never used this product before, so I'm very interested in seeing what it can do for me. So this is the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte product. It's a product that you can use as a setting powder and as a blotting powder. It comes with this little rectangular shaped puff in there. Okay, so I'm taking the powder puff that it comes with. I'm going to make sure to get some on the ends of it, and then I am going to set my under eyes. It's definitely matte. This one, however, is a little bit difficult for me to use, so I'm gonna switch to a brush. The whole time I was talking, my video wasn't recording. I went ahead and set my face with the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte setting powder slash blotting powder. It's a very beautiful setting powder. The only way I'm able to tell that I actually set my face was initially that my left side was a bit more glowy than my right side. This looks very nice. I really like it. I like this blotting powder. I am going to keep that powder puff in here for the days that I travel with this and use as a blotting powder, because that way I don't have to bring a tall brush with me. So this is my face. This is what my skin is looking like. I definitely feel like when I look down, the reflection I'm seeing on this side is a little bit more on that golden side compared to it just reflecting my white light. It's looking a little bit more golden on my under eyes. It is very subtle for sure. Okay, so this is my finished look, trying out this Fenty Beauty Easy Drop Lit and the Invisimatte powder. The one thing I have not done yet is actually apply highlighter to my face. So I'm gonna take this Easy Drop. See, this is what it looks like before it's blended out. So I really, every time I see it, I'm expecting like extreme shimmer, but that's not what you get, okay? I'm gonna use some of it as highlighter because this is also another way you can use it. Because of what it looks like and how subtle it blends in, it can give you that glow without like taking over your look. I avoid highlighters because of that, you know, that shimmery look that you get to your face. It adds like a healthy glow to my face without it looking like I have a bunch of shimmer or a bunch of oil on my face. It's giving very much hydration. That's what I get from this. Now, if you're somebody who's been on the fence about this product and you like that very subtle, very flush, very from within type of makeup look, I really think that you will love adding this to your collection. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot more. I'll probably just keep it here and put it on my under eyes every time before I start doing my makeup, because I really love what I'm seeing, especially in these winter months. Your skin is going to be dry. You're going to want to add a little bit more of that moisture to your skin. So that is it for me showing you guys this Easy Drop Lit. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Let me know if you're going to be using it this way. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll put the link to this product down below, and definitely check this video out so you can see how to use the Fenty Beauty Matchstick Skin Sticks to get that perfect complexion. Okay, love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.